if you want to accept the terms and conditions on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, you might want to accept the terms and conditions, but you cannot find the option, or you might be trying to tap on agree, but if your iPhone is stuck or frozen. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix both of these issues. Now, if you want to find the terms and conditions option on your iPhone, just go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds and the option to accept the terms and conditions will appear on the screen. Just tap on agree on the screen and agree to the terms and conditions. But if it did not appear, just tap on sign in and security and the option to accept the terms and conditions should appear right after you do that. Now if you have done that, but if this did not work, then just go back to the main settings page. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just open either the FaceTime or the Messages app. For an example, I will open Messages. Now if you have updated your iPhone recently and if you try to activate iMessages or FaceTime on your iPhone, the option to accept the terms and conditions will appear on the screen as you try to enable or activate iMessages or FaceTime on your iPhone. So just try to activate iMessages or FaceTime and this option will appear on the screen. Now finally, for the third method, just open the App Store, then tap on the profile icon over here. Now after you do that, the option to accept the terms and conditions will pop up on the screen. Just select agree from here. Now, but if you're trying to accept the terms and conditions, but if your iPhone is stuck or frozen, then I will show you how you can fix this issue. The only way you can fix that issue is just by performing a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after you complete the force restart process, you will be able to agree to the terms and conditions on your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then just go to settings, then tap on general. Under general, just tap on software update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, you will be able to accept the terms and conditions of your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.